Let's begin with class 9 physics exercise 2a numericals. The formula to be used in all these numericals of this A exercise will be the one that is A is equals to V minus U by T. Here A stands for your acceleration, V for your final velocity, U for your initial velocity and T for your time. So let's begin with the first numerical of this exercise, that is the speed of the car is given to you 72 km per hour. You have to express it in meter per second. Remember one thing, whenever the speed is given to you in this kilometer per hour and you have to convert it into meter per second, you have to multiply it by 5 by 18. Now how 5 by 18? Let's see here. You know that 72 km per hour. Kilometer per hour means R will come in division here. Now you know that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. And we know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So 1 hour is equals to 60 into 60 seconds. When you will solve this, it will come out to be 5 by 18. So 72 multiplied by 5 by 18, it is 18 ones are 18 fours are, 5 fours are 20 meter per second is your answer. Similarly, there is your second question. The value of the speed is given to you in meter per second and you have to convert it into kilometer per hour. There you will multiply it by 18 by 5. When you will multiply 15 with 18 by 5, let me tell you the answer, because it is given to us that 15 meter per second. When you will multiply it with 18 by 5, the answer will come in kilometer per hour. 5 ones are 5 threes are. 18 threes are is 54 kilometer per hour. This is your answer. After this, we will begin with the numerical number 6. In the numerical number 6, what it is saying, a car travels first 30 km with a uniform speed of 60 km per hour. पहले 30 किलोमीटर उसने 60 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से ट्रैवल किया और नेक्स्ट 30 किलोमीटर ही इज ट्रैवलिंग विद द यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड ऑफ 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर. उसके बाद उसकी स्पीड जो नेक्स्ट 30 किलोमीटर के लिए होगी 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर. यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द टोटल टाइम ऑफ द जर्नी एंड द एवरेज स्पीड ऑफ द कार. हमें दो चीजें चाहिए. आपको हमें एक चीज पता है कि फॉर द फर्स्ट 30 किलोमीटर for the first 30 km, what is the speed given to you? Speed given to you is 60 km per hour. And we know that speed is equals to distance upon time. And then if you have to find the value of time, time will go here, speed will come down. That is time is equals to distance upon speed. What is the distance? 30. What is the speed here? 60. So it will come out to be 1 by 2 hours. आधा घंटा. Is it clear? Then for the next 30 km, what is the speed? It is given to you as 40 km per hour. So now we have to find the time for it again. That is distance upon speed. So what is the distance now? Distance is again 30 km. What is the speed here? It is 40 km per hour. So it will come out to be 3 by 4 hours. Now what we need is, we need the total time of the journey. Means we have to find the total time of the journey. So how will we find the total time? That is 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4. 2 and 4 LCM is 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 4 1s are 4. 3 1s are 3. That is 2 plus 3 is 5 by 4. This is in hours. And the answer given to you is in minutes. So to convert hours into minutes, we will multiply it with 60. 4 ones are 4, 15s are 15 5s are 75 minutes. I guess this is very clear to everyone. In the second part, we have to find the average speed. Now remember, for the average speed, there are two formulas. One is total distance traveled upon total time taken. So what is the total distance traveled? 30 plus 30, 60 kilometers. And down it is total time taken. What is the total time taken? 75 minutes, or we can call it 5 by 4 hours. So second part, average speed, we know that total distance upon total time taken. What is the total distance? You know 30 plus 30, 60 kilometers. What is the total time taken in hours? It is 5 by 4. 4 will go up. It means I'm doing its calculation here. 60 into 4 by 5. 5 ones are 5 12s are. So 12 fours are is 48. 48 kilometer per hour. I guess this numerical is very clear to everyone. Next we are going to start with the 9th numerical. 9th numerical reads, a body starts from rest. Very important. जब भी कोई बॉडी रेस्ट से स्टार्ट होती है तो इसका मतलब उसकी इनिशियल वेलोसिटी कितनी हुई? 0 हुई. सो 9th क्वेश्चन, इनिशियल वेलोसिटी इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय u. सो u इज 0. देन रेस्ट से स्टार्ट होके उसने कितनी वेलोसिटी हासिल कर ली? 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड. सो इट्स फाइनल वेलोसिटी इज 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड. इन 2 seconds, टाइम इज 2 seconds. You have to find the acceleration. Now we know that what the formula of acceleration here? That is v minus u over t. What is v here? 10. What is u here? It is 0. What is time here? 2 seconds. 10 minus 0 is 10 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are. So answer is 5. And what is the unit of acceleration? It is meter per second square. I guess this is very clear to everyone. Next we are going to do the 13th numerical. A car accelerates at a rate of 5 meter per second square. Means आपको 5 meter per second square unit से पता चल रहा है. It is your acceleration given to you. That is 5 meter per second square. Then what they're saying is find the increase in its velocity in 2 seconds. आपको increase in its velocity चाहिए. बच्चे what do you mean by increase in its velocity? Increase in velocity का meaning होता है final velocity minus initial velocity. ये आपको क्या करना है? Find करना है. And what is given to you? And time is given to you 2 seconds. Time is given to us is 2 seconds. Now formula is again same. A is equals to v minus u over t. हमें ये निकालना है v minus u. t डिवाइड में उधर जाके क्या बन जाएगा? मल्टीप्लाई. So v minus u is equals to a multiply by t. What is a here? 5. What is t here? 2. So 5 2s are 10. And it is velocity, change in velocity. So what is the unit of velocity? Meter per second. So it comes out to be 10 meter per second. Now I will be doing the last numerical of this exercise, that is 16th numerical. I have tried to cover all the difficult numericals, and I guess rest you can try yourself also. 16th is a car is moving in a straight line with the speed 18 km per hour. एक कार है वो स्पीड 18 km per hour की स्पीड से मूव कर रही है. So it is your initial velocity. Remember that. So initial velocity is 18 km per hour. मैंने आपको बताया था 18 km per hour है. किलोमीटर पर आवर को मीटर पर सेकंड में कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं? 5 by 18 से क्या कर देते हैं? इसको मल्टीप्लाई. तो जब मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो कितना आंसर आ गया? 5 मीटर पर सेकंड. ये इसकी इनिशियल वेलोसिटी है. Then they are saying is it is stopped in 5 seconds. इसको स्टॉप कर दिया. स्टॉप कर दिया मतलब उसकी फाइनल वेलोसिटी कितनी बन गई? 0. क्योंकि हमने इसको क्या कर दिया? रोक दिया. फाइनल वेलोसिटी 0. इन 5 seconds. तो टाइम कितना उसका? 5 seconds है. 5 seconds में हमने उसको स्टॉप किया है. Then is find the speed of the car in meter per second. आपको पहले फर्स्ट पार्ट में पता करना था स्पीड ऑफ द कार इन मीटर पर सेकंड. तो फर्स्ट पार्ट वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन कि हमने मीटर पर सेकंड उसकी स्पीड निकाल ली है. देन इज द रिटार्डेशन. ऑब्वियसली बच्चे आपको पता है कि वेलोसिटी 5 से 0 हो रही है, वेलोसिटी कम हो रही है, तो मतलब ये रिटार्डेशन आई है. तो हमें रिटार्डेशन निकालनी, हम क्या करेंगे? एक्सेलरेशन निकालेंगे. रिटार्डेशन के लिए उसके साथ माइनस लगा देंगे. सो वेरी इजी. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद एक्सेलरेशन. वी नो दैट v minus u by t. What is v? 0 minus what is the u here? 5. What is time here? 5. 0 minus 5 is minus 5 by 5. It is minus 1 meter per second square. लेकिन मुझे क्या निकालनी थी? रिटार्डेशन. रिटार्डेशन होती है माइनस a. दैट इज नेगेटिव ऑफ एक्सेलरेशन. तो माइनस ऑफ माइनस 1 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर कितना आ गया? माइनस माइनस प्लस. सो दिस इज योर आंसर. Then next part is the speed of the car after 2 seconds. Now for third part, time is given to us is 2 seconds. क्योंकि वो रुकी तो 5 सेकंड के बाद है. 5 सेकंड के बाद वो स्टॉप हो गई. लेकिन ऑब्वियसली हमें 2 सेकंड के बाद पूछा है तो इसका मतलब उसकी वेलोसिटी 5 से कम हुई होगी. लेकिन कितनी हुई है वो हमें फाइंड करनी है. वी नो दैट फॉर्मूला क्या है, a इज इक्वल्स टू v माइनस यू बाई टी। अब हमें v फाइंड करना है, a हमारे पास कितना आया था, a इज -1, v हमें फाइंड करना है कि 2 सेकंड बाद कितनी हो गई थी, इनिशियल कितनी थी 5, टाइम है हमारे पास 2 सेकंड, 2 डिवाइड उधर आके मल्टीप्लाई दो, इट इज -2, v माइनस 5, -5 इधर आके +5, so 5 minus 2 is equals to v, that is v comes out to be 3 meter per second. I guess all the numericals are very clear to everyone. Thank you.